Door hanging. Kids, we decorate our door at Christmas to welcome Santa Claus. Let's learn how to make a door hanging. Paste 4 ice cream sticks overlapping the corners as shown to make the frame. Paste 1 ice cream stick that joins one corner of the frame to other. Cut the pastel sheet as shown and paste the pieces on the frame. Tie a ribbon to the both ends of the frame. Your door hanging is ready.